Hi guys, it's Beth. Welcome back to my channel, and today I just wanted to share with you what I'm going to be using for my fall 12 by 12 pad project in the month of August. This is an old pad from Craftsmith, Michaels, and it is from 2016, and it's called Pumpkin Spice. And I got it on sale for $5 when they had them for $5. And I don't have just one, I have two. Because at the time I really liked the paper, and I think I made some reversible Christmas and Thanksgiving blocks with some of the paper in here, and so I've kind of picked apart a lot of it already, but there's still a good amount left. A lot of little scraps. So there are a couple of like full 12 by 12 images in here that I will have to work through, see what I can figure out to do with those. But then as best I can here, I will kind of show you the patterns. This is really pretty. It's just got some gold foil words on blue background. I like the gourd paper. I actually love this plaid. I made a fall block set out of that for myself. Here's kind of like an ombre type pattern. There's a page of 3x4 cut aparts, 2 pages of those. Some kind of foiled swirls, brown stripes, some foiled circles. That's pretty. It's got some, almost like a copper foil, more so than a gold. And then there is a whole bunch of little like label type cut aparts. So I still have 2 full pages of those left. And then the pretty wood grain with the polka dots. So that's what I have, and it's pretty much the same in both, except for this one actually has, I don't know if this one has anything that I wasn't able to show you in the last one or not. Oh, there's leaves. That wasn't in the last one. Oh, another plaid, orange and blue. I like that too, because I'm a sucker for plaid. This still has both of the, I don't know what I used that one on. There's a blue ombre too. That wasn't in the other one. Blue stripe, and then I think that's it. Yeah. So I haven't counted up how many pages I have left between the 2 pads together. So I don't know exactly what I'm starting with yet. I will do that before I start tearing it apart. But I did want to show you what I was starting with before I dug into it. And, you know, I'm adding an extra challenge to myself because I have 2 of the pads. So as far as what I'm going to make with this one, because I have 2, I might do some mini albums, like fall themed mini albums. And then obviously some cards. I don't know if I'll do any decor or not. We'll see. But there are some, I did find some pictures that I can scrapbook with some of the paper. I do have a few fall themed pictures, and then there's some of the other paper that I can use that isn't specifically fall themed that I might be able to use for some other pictures. But if you guys have any suggestions for this pad, please let me know. I would love to hear it. Because I don't have tons of ideas yet, but I will sit down, kind of do a better planning of what I want to make with this, and then when I go through the pad, I will pull out the pieces that I know I can use for a specific project, and then kind of evaluate what pages I have left, what full pages I have left, and what I might be able to do with those, and kind of get those sorted out before I really dive into the projects, just because it kind of helps to figure out what you're going to use each paper for, so that you don't cut into it for one thing and then remember, oh, that would have been a much better, you know, find a much better use for it later on. But anyway, just wanted to share it with you. If anyone still has the pumpkin spice pad from Michaels from 2016 and would like to craft along with me, please join me. Would love to have you. If you have used this pad in the past and made something that I didn't list as one of my potential projects, let me know. I would love to hear that as well. Otherwise, stay tuned for what I'm able to make with this pad. But I thank you guys so much for your time, and if you haven't already, please be sure to like and subscribe, and I hope you're all having a crafty day.